Expecting house guests for the summer? Here's how I turned a spare room to a guest retreat. I love entertaining and I love house guests, and I wanted to start anew and update my guest room and share this with you in a series of videos. Remember where we started? White walls, builder-grade closets, and light fixtures. I wanted to keep the colors and the decor in the room gender neutral, and I knew that my male house guests would appreciate that. Plus, black and white is a great combination and one of my favorites. So let's talk about the window treatment. The blinds are from Lowe's and they're from Levelor Customized Fit. I purchased it for $39 and the size is 35 inches wide by 64 inches long. Of course, I needed to customize the length. You can get the instructions from YouTube, and all you need to do is put in the search Levelor Customized Blind. They also have paper instructions inside the box. The window cornice is a DIY I made from finished wood from Lowe's. It was $10. I also had some scrap wood that I created the mounting brackets. I don't have any photos showing how I wrapped the larger board and glued to the material, but I do have photos of how I created the brackets, so it's the same procedure that you would use for the larger board. The art pieces were purchased at HomeGoods for $30.99 each in black and white. In the future, I will add an art light to both art pieces. There is even a convenient plug at the bottom of each art. The bronze color paint really makes the art stands out, which is a nice focal point on this side of the wall. The end tables are from Wayfair. They are a replica of PB's end tables, which is 2.5 times more expensive. I paid $131 for each for these. I love the detail, and it was easy to assemble. The legs are different. I love the way it crosses in the front and the back. The pull is even a piece of art. This table is a great statement piece. I added a vase with some flowers, a chrome art piece, and one of my Swarovski pieces to add some sparkle. The lamp base was purchased from Target for $29.99, and the lampshade was all in white. Here's how I DIY'd the lampshade. Here's another DIY that I was doing, detailing my lampshade. This lampshade came from Walmart. It was for $10, I believe it was, for the small one, and $13.99 for the large one. But it's from Better Homes and Gardens, and it's your regular square accent shade. It's in white. I wanted to color it a black. This sewing detail they have here, this banding on here. So I went to Michael's, and they said they had some fabric paint. And I looked at the fabric paint they had. the kind that you could paint on or spray on, but I wanted something that you can apply easily and don't have to worry about overspray or anything like that. So they have this marker. Basically, color in where you want your color to be on your fabric. And I just taped it off like here, and you just mark it, you just color just like this, and it dries really fast. It's a great product. I really like it, and it doesn't saturate the fabric. I bought many of these because I have 3 shades that I want to do, but you just tape off what you're, like I did, tape off like you would do anything that you're painting, unless you have steady hands or what have you. But you just tape it off, and it comes out like this. And I really am pleased how it turned out. I couldn't find a lampshade that had the black simple line detail like this, so I thought I would just basically DIY my own, and came across this marker. And I think it's a great product. So if you're really interested in detailing your lamps or any other fabric detail that you would like for your decor, pillows, this is a great product. I love this mirror. It is simple, elegant, and sophisticated. Not too much detail and just right for this room. It cost me $30.99 at Kirkland's. The focal point on this wall is the bed. To ensure a great night's sleep for your guests, I purchased a quality mattress with 100% cotton sheets and bedding. If you haven't seen my Ultimate Guest Essentials video, click on the eye in the upper right corner. There you can get all the prices and information on most of the things in this room. The headboard was purchased at a furniture store for $600. I love the silver nail detail. Here is the same nightstand on this side of the bed. I placed a brushed silver tissue box and crystal clock and another lamp. If you're interested in the closet installation, click the eye in the upper corner. There are scented sachets in each drawer to keep it fresh, and on this shelf, I decided to add a small repast before dinner. There is something salty and something sweet, and a couple of magazines. I also added some water, pitcher, glass, and 2 bottles of water. There is a small greeting I placed in this space, welcoming my guests to my home with some useful information for their stay. This light fixture will be placed throughout the guest suite to keep continuity and flow through each room. On the opposite wall is a glass table and stool, a great place to read, write a note, or take off your shoes. I placed another lamp from Target and a welcome book with a spare key, Wi-Fi information, and cable network card. There's also a list of things to do in the surrounding area. Fresh flowers and strawberries to finish the table. These 3 boxes hold stationery and a notepad for their use. Check out video 2 for prices and stores for most items in this video. The DIY chest contains a house robe, house slippers, and a throw blanket. Eventually, a small upholstery chair would be in this space, and the chest will move to under the window. If you have any questions about pricing of items in this video, see video 2, my Ultimate Guest Room Essentials, and video 3, Closet Installation and more. There you will find information on most of the things I've shown in this video. I had a great time with this series, and I hope I've given you some tips and ideas on how you can prepare your next guest visit. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!